So my name's Lauren Tuell. My business is Mainely Succulents, and I'm a mom of 3. I actually started this business as a passion out of interest to instill gardening in the next generation. I don't see it as a plant shop. I see it as more of a gardening community. So really I started my business without a retail space. I started it doing workshops, and I was volunteering through the Master Gardener course, and I really took it upon myself to grow a community before I had like a retail space. So my dad actually has always instilled gardening in me, and he was growing our own food. As children, I started helping him out in the garden, and when I was in college, I started growing more things again. I used herbs to cook, and I've always loved to have plants around my house. So this is my full-time job. I actually was a teacher before I became a mom too, so this is something that I have a degree in child development and family relations from the University of Maine, so I was using my degree, and then as an entrepreneur I realized the opportunity, as succulents were trendy, houseplants were trending, so I decided to make it my full-time job, and it's definitely one of those things where I'm constantly having to change what I do in order for it to be a full-time income. I feel like I'm the plant doctor, and it's so satisfying to be like, if you buy plants anywhere, I'm 100% not offended, because if you need me, I'm here. Do you need a new pot for it? Do you need it repotted? Do you need to learn what's wrong with it? Bring it on in. So like my favorite part is like serving and teaching. Like I feel like every time that someone leaves like, oh, my plant looks better now, and I learned something from that experience, that makes me like light up inside. I think the most challenging thing is like, I'm not a business person, I'm a people person, and I'm a teacher. I have realized that like, if you don't just go for it though, and you don't know the answers, you're never gonna do it. So I'm just learning as I go, finding the people that know the answers and figuring it out. So it's like, it's continuing to push me to grow, which is a great thing. So that's been a huge challenge, but a positive challenge. Like I feel like just my mindset is like, you wanna wake up every day and live a happy life, and this gives me the opportunity to do that. So like I find when I'm self-employed, it's amazing that I get to make my own schedule and make my family a priority and wake up in the morning and like go exercise, and I try to focus on the good things in life, on how to live happier. I don't have to be like, oh, I gotta rush to work and clock in on time. Small business is super important, especially because I feel like it inspires other entrepreneurs and creatives. It gives people a purpose, like a job with purpose that they feel valued. There are so many people that have worked for me that have been like, can I just go to the plant shop at night and just like do my homework? And I'm like, yes, like it is such a happy place. It's a place where we all are always positive and supportive, but we also it's a team, you know, it's a family. So I feel like local businesses also, when we make money or when we do things for local businesses like decorating Taco Rita with plants, like we continue to support each other. So like anytime that I make money, I know it's going walking distance to one of these places to buy lunch. So like it's one of those things where I feel passionate about also making jobs available to the college crowd. And right now, like there's not a lot of college kids that like are given big like incentives to work, or there's not a lot of places that they feel would be a joy to work at. And so I've had so many people apply that it was like the biggest compliment. Like I was like, I can't wait till I can hire all of you, but like the day will come. But right now, like we're in the growth period. What I think that my vision is for the future of Mainely Succulents is to have workshops, after school programs. Like we've done workshops in the past, COVID kind of put it on hold, and now we've started to do Plant Club, which is a monthly get together where we take these big plants like this aloe last month and we split them and we teach people about what soil they like, how to transplant them. So very educational stuff. I want to instill that and have my employees doing that at schools too. I volunteered at A7II in Orono, and I've done the Rogers Farm in Orono, so I feel like there's a lot more of that could happen. I actually love to buy from local artists. So when I stock the shelves, like I'm not one to buy from Amazon or go to Walmart and find like the cheapest stuff to like get to sell here and resell. I don't want to just be like any other store. I want to have stuff on the walls that are one of a kind. I'm happy to give back. So like I feel like small businesses are continuously doing that in this area. They're feeding the sports teams after games, and you know, there's just a lot of that going on around here, and I want to be a part of it.